all that stuff. And I just got my crafted beards shipment. I'm gonna share with you the very nice thank you. 25% off your next order. Sandalwood and Bourbon beard oil. I just got out of the shower. On the fingers and rub into the skin. Under the beard. The beard oil is for skin. Shouldn't have too much oil residue on your fingers or in hand when you get done. If you do, then you use a little too much. Use a little bit less next time. This is well protected. There we go. Gotta find the edge. Got the Sandalwood and Bourbon beard balm. Put that in the package. And the beard butter. So this is a beard hair moisturizer, and I'm gonna apply it the same way as beard balm. Just you get a little dab on your fingers. Massage that, and that's using your body heat to melt the oils. Again, you don't want to have too oily of a residue on your hands when you get done. And if you do, don't use so much next time. But for this, the beard balm, go ahead and brush my hair out of the way. Tangles out. Save the rest of that for later. Beard balm's the same thing. Beard balm is kind of a moisturizer, and well, it doesn't moisturize. It locks the moisture in and gives you a little control. irritate that. It feels a little, might feel a little gritty in your hands. Just rub it. Get your body heat. A little difficult to do in the winter. Get your body heat working that. Get that pretty well melted. Apply. Massage all into your beard. Pay special attention to miscreant hairs. And I use the beard brush. Boar's hair, beard brush, clean that out. Time to do a little brushing. Beard balm and beard butter in there. It helps smooth everything out, put a little control in. All those flyaways get out of the picture. Your beard will do mostly what you want. So that's the crafted beard products and the beard struggle beard brush. You'll have a little bit of residue in your hands. Use that for your hair or wash it off.